Electronic piano project components required 5 BC547 transistor, 5 push button, 5 resistors of different values, 220 ohm, 1K ohm, 10K ohm, 470K ohm and 100K ohm, a buzzer, battery stepper, battery and a breadboard. First of all, place the 5 push button on the breadboard. In this way. We have connected the 5 buttons. Now place the 5 transistors on the breadboard. In this way. Now connect all the emitters of the transistors together in this way. Connect, short all of them. Short the collectors of the transistors. So now we will connect the resistors to the base of the transistor and the switch. So first, to the first transistor, connect the 220 ohm resistor. The color band of the 220 ohm resistor is red, brown. So connect it to the base of the first transistor and then to one of the terminal of the switch. Then connect the next resistor, that is the 1K ohm, to the base of the second transistor and one of the terminal of the switch. Then we have 47K ohm. Then connect the 10K ohm and lastly we will connect the 100K ohm. Now connect the other terminal, that is the diagonally opposite terminal of the switch, to the collector of the transistor. Similarly, do it for the other transistors. Now place the buzzer close to the first transistor. So this is the negative side and this is the positive side. Connect the collector of the first transistor to the negative terminal of the buzzer. Connect the other terminal of the buzzer to the positive of the battery strap. That means the positive of the battery, and the emitter of the last transistor to the ground. Now we will connect the battery to see the output. Now I will show you the output. As you can see, when I press the buttons, the sound is different. So thank you.